Hello, today I'm gonna make my homemade burger. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 500 grams of minced beef. This is very lean, no fat. 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, chili, cumin, salt, and pepper. 1 teaspoon each. Very simply, now we're gonna mix it all together. Now we're gonna add all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Now I have my glove on. Now we're gonna go in for a mix. Now I have made them into 2 burgers, 250 grams each. They're big and thick. Now they're in a dry pan, no need for oil. Medium heat because they're very thick. 4 or 5 minutes on each side, depending how you like it. Now I'm gonna put sliced cheese on the burger patty. Turn off the heat, put the lid on, leave it for 2 minutes. Delicious. I am using my chili cheese. You can use another cheese if you want to. This is the cheese I'm using. These are my burger buns, and if you want, you can toast them. Mayonnaise. Tomato, lettuce, now my dad will put the burger on.
They look great, mate, really good. What cheese is this? The ghost one?
Yeah, ghost pepper. Pickle. Raw onion. On the top of my bread, I've put some ketchup. And there you have it, my mouth-dropping, delicious burger. Lots of love!
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.